All right, so in today's video, we're going to be taking a look at compositions of functions. So what we're going to do is when you see this G circle f, what this means is we are actually going to find the value of f of 0 first. And then when we figure out what that is, we're going to plug that into the function g. So let's figure out what f of 0 is. F of 0, well, I go and look at the graph and I can see that this one down here is f and this function up here is g. And when x is 0, we can see the y value is 1. So the f of 0 is 1. So that means I'm going to be plugging 1 into the function g. Now I'm going to go to where is x1 on the function g? That is right here. What is the y value associated with that? I can see it is 3. So the g of 1 is 3. So the g circle f, or the composition of g of f of 0 is 3. All right, so if that was confusing to you, just kind of follow along. It will make sense as we do this more often. So this says f circle g of 3. This means that we're going to plug into g first. We're going to find the g of 3 first. So I'm going to go to g, and where is x3? When x is 3, y is 3. So now I know, since I know that the g of 3 is equal to 3, I'm going to plug 3 into the function of f. So I'm going to go to 3, where is that? And then here's where f is 3 and the y value is -2. So this is -2. So the f of g of 3 is -2. G of f of 0, again, I have to work with what's first, so I have to find the f of 0. Ooh, wait, I already did this one. Let's change this. Let's make this f circle g of 0. So we already did this one up here. Let's change this. So if that means that I'm going to plug 0 into g first, when x is 0, y is 6. So we know the g of 0 is 6. So now I'm going to find the f of 6. So we go to where x is 6 on the graph of f, and the y value is 1. So the f of g of 0 is 1. Finally, f of g of 1. We're going to plug 1 into g. Again, we're going to find the g of 1 first, see what we get. When x is 1 on the graph of g, y is 3. So since the g of 1 is equal to 3, then I'm going to plug 3 in for f. When f is 3, where is that? When f is 3, y is -2. So the f of 3 is -2. So f of g of 1 is -2. So we just have to work through these slowly.